This video is sponsored by Diecast Airplane Store. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another review video. Today I would like to review Air Pacific's British Aircraft Corporation 111-414 EG by AEROCLASSICS. The mold looks well done. I don't seem to find anything odd about it. The yellow appears to be too light, and the blue should be darker. There are several flaws with the print on some doors of the plane, where it's not painted properly, or it has a paint smudge. This crater mount is done okay. It has a more noticeable seam at the bottom. The wings are nicely shaped, but sadly they are overglossed. The engines appear to be incorrectly shaped, which is a big flaw. The struts appear to be metal, and the wheels appear to be rubber. All wheels roll nicely. One flaw is that it's missing the nose gear door, and the main landing gear doors appear to be smaller. Overall, this model will be up to you to get. It's still a pretty nice model in my opinion. Well, that concludes the review for Air Pacific's British Aircraft Corporation 111-414 EG by AEROCLASSICS. If you have this model, let me know what you think about it in the comments section. Please, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest reviews. This is Alpha, and hope to have you guys back again soon.